Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the basics and acting immediately. Check the exact URL and any login credentials, then open an in private window to rule out profile state. Once done, clear edge cache and cookies for the affected site that removes stale tokens and broken sessions. Next, disable all extensions temporarily. Some block or rewrite requests and trigger 403. You should see a difference quickly. If not, keep changes and move to deeper inspection steps. Now dive into diagnostics to find why the server rejects requests. Open DevTools, watch the Network tab for the failing request, and note request headers, cookies, and response body so you can identify missing or malformed auth tokens. Try the same URL in another browser or curl to compare behavior. Differences point to client-side issues. Also, temporarily disable VPN, proxy, or system-wide blockers. These can alter headers or geolocation. Finish by applying targeted fixes. Reset site permissions and remove saved credentials for the domain, then create a clean edge profile and test again. That rules out corrupted profile data. Ensure Edge is updated so modern auth methods behave correctly. If the problem persists, collect the failing request details, request URL, headers, cookies, response code, and contact the site administrator. They can check server-side ACLs or WAF logs. Troubleshooting tip: if everything fails, try from a different network to isolate ISP or firewall issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.